Ugh. Check that puppy out. Ooh, holy smokes. Look at that. Holy shnikes, look at that. My brother's offering me money to leave stuff here. Hey, this next video, we hit a little spot up in Waverly, New York off old Route 17. For you old timers, right before you get to the old cork and bottle. So he found this little spot and found some treasures there. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay, got another location here. I don't think anybody's been down here looking for stuff. Might be stuff just laying around here. Yeah, you can take the deep hole and I'll do a little drag another bridge down here. Somebody dyeing their hair up here. Probably something to get high. I think it's just cool to like explore these places too. I think it's like cool to just explore these places too. Oh, you see something right over there. I'm not going to get to it. There we go. What's that? Drawer? I can't get that, damn it. There, I got it. Ugh. Sure, got this on. Finally got it. Look at this puppy. I saw that in the water. Look at that. Nice piece of railroad. Saw that hole. That's what I saw. Nothing's like in nature with a hole like that, so. We know there's stuff here. Oh, there's a J-hook right over there. Whoa, up over my boots. I said up to my boots. Oh, and a railroad plate. Oh my gosh. Oh, I was just dragging and found it. J-hook there. I don't even have my gloves on. I'm finding stuff here. And we got another J-hook. J-hook there. And a big old railroad plate right here. Ugh. Check that puppy out. And I see more stuff over here. We hit it. Ah. Big old railroad plate right there. Love that. Cash money for the bucket. Let's see what else I drag and find here. I see something else here. Ooh, holy smokes. We got chunko meadow here. Ah. Look at this thing. That must weigh 25, 30, 40 pounds. I don't know. That is, look at that. That is heavy. Holy shnikes. That's just one big chunk of metal. You're not finding anything? Once I'll just wash down on this end. Oh, whoa. These were all just things I saw. Oh, looking around here, see if I find any more. Oh, I see something right there. You see something over there. We've been combing the desert and we haven't found shit. Okay, I got two things here. Holy shnikes. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this here. Look at that, whatever that is. Holy cow, jackpot city here. Drag along the creek here and look. Something right there maybe. Stick. There's something up there. Oh, railroad spike over here. We'll put these here. Get them on our way back. Whoa, whoa. Almost went in. Almost went into the drink. Look at that. Holy shnikes, look at that. Oh.
jackpot on the rope. I see something else here. Couple things. Oh. What's that? Something right there. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that right there. 3 spikes, tied my record. Make sure my camera's on here. Been having problems with my camera. Look at this right here. Holy cow. There are my nuts and bolts. And get back up to my bucket. Ah. Nothing? I'm in jackpot down here. Hey. Leave this all here, take smaller stuff, put it in the bucket. Try coming down the creek here. Try coming down the creek. Some spots down here. You can tiptoe around. You don't mind getting wet, feet wet. There's a little holes. I found a little hole over here. Had a bunch of stuff in it. If you look for orange, for some reason it's all orange here. I got something right here, but I can't bring it up. Nope, I know what it was. I just got it. Oh, something right there too. Look at, oh, why didn't I bring my bucket with me? Hey, want some stuff for your bucket? No, I didn't bring my bucket down with me. Oh gosh, get caught on every rock here. Look at this. Spikes, spikes, spikes. And a big bolt. Or big nut, I should say, not bolt, nut. Almost feels like I'm feeling stuff underneath. Like the big one I found? I'll drag it up with my magnet when we go back up there. Ooh. Geez, I can't pull that out. Oh, that's not going anyplace. Oh, thought it was moving. Oh, got it. That's a railroad. Oh, that's getting dragged up. Holy cow, I can't even pull my magnet off this. There it goes. Get that when we come back up through. That's cash money right there, Pally. Holy shnikes. Cash money for the bucket.
Looks like there might be a waterfall at the end of that.
I know, I was thinking that too when I looked down there. Watch it slippery here. And I grabbed the bucket. I should have grabbed it. Find something? Oh yeah, that's a good idea right there in those cracks. Something right there, but it's in the concrete, probably rebar. I bet there's some stuff here. Get over here on this rock. What's that? Ferrero spike, yeah. Something right there. Oh, I'm stuck. You are too. Oh, there. Something right there. Oh, big rock right there. I'm getting caught on. Wire. Try not to throw it on a rock. I can't see what was right there. I can see it from this side. Oh, this is probably what it's caused. This piece of rebar right in the concrete. Scare you to death. Okay. I'll take one more throw over on that thing, whatever that is. Yeah, I can't get it. No, I'm caught in that rock again. Okay, I'm done. Head up.
Like the homeless people under Vegas.
Yeah. I never saw that, but
Huh?
I never saw that.
Never saw that?
No.
There's tunnels like these. They're draining, water draining, but
No.
they don't get water there. So the homeless people live in.
Wow.
There's probably about 500 homeless people
Wow.
living under Vegas.
Wow. Watch yourself here.
They interviewed one guy, him and his wife,
Wow.
been homeless for 20 years.
Wow.
He lived under Vegas for this 20 years.
Wow. How can you do that, man?
They had a
God, what?
under there so they could get clean water.
God, this.
They go out, they gotta go to the bathroom. Turn things off again.
Good call. Yeah, I gotta get some more dry lock there. Holy cow. "15 miles on the Erie Canal." I wonder if it'd be easier to pick it up. I'll keep carrying it. Yeah, I'll leave it alone. Maybe I'll think about coming up here again. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm leaving that.
$50 right there.
It's probably about 10. Yeah. 5 cents a pound, 7 cents a pound. How many pounds do you think that is? 50? $3.50? What's that? I had some stuff over here somewhere too. Oh my gosh. My brother's offering me money to leave stuff here. This was a good find. Still water my boot. I grab all these, you grab that one. I grab all these, you grab that one. Pick that one up. Oh, here. I know. Yep. Got that? I didn't really think you'd carry that, but hey, thanks. That piece of metal right there. Start seeing things. You get buck fever. Oh my gosh, this was jackpot.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Found some treasures here on this little creek out in the middle of nowhere. Had a good time with my brother finding stuff. A few laughs along the way. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and share and tell your friends and relatives about my videos. Have a good one. Hope to see you soon. Adios.